Hi, I'm John. This is my first time attending here.
Welcome, John. I'm Maria. I've been a member for a while. Let me show you around. Hi, I'm Anna. Are you traveling alone too?
Hi Anna, I'm Luke. Yes, I am. This tour is a great way to see the city.
Hi, I'm Sarah. I'm here to learn the guitar.
Hi Sarah, I'm Jake. I'm a beginner too. Let's help each other out.
Hi, I'm Emma. Do you know where I can find organic apples?
Hi Emma, I'm Tom. Yes, there's a stall over there with great produce.
Good morning, I'm Jessica. I'm in public relations.
Good morning, Jessica. I'm Peter. I work in finance. Nice to meet you.
Hi, I'm Rachel. Ready to ring in the new year?
Hey Rachel, I'm Matt. Absolutely. This party looks great.
Hi, I'm Chloe. I write short stories.
Hi Chloe, I'm Jason. I'm working on my first novel. Nice to meet another writer. Hello, I'm Mark. I'm here for the 2 p.m. interview.
Hi, Mark. I'm Lisa. I'll be conducting your interview today. Please, have a seat. Hi, I'm Mia. This is my dog, Bailey.
Hi Mia, I'm Sam. My dog, Rex, is over there. Nice to meet another dog lover. Hi, I'm Daniel. I'm here to practice my English.
Hi, Daniel. I'm Emily. I'm here to practice my Spanish. We can help each other out.